So the Prophet, peace be upon him, said that. But I want you to understand the difference here now. Don't think that we're talking about not doing it. The difference here is we should give the reminder to everybody. See what I'm saying? Like in a Jummah khutbah, the reminder for everybody. Everybody, general reminder. But when you want to teach someone the depth of Quran and the depth of thing, then you have a special class where you teach people who want to come and learn. Remember, a lot of people who come for Jummah, they don't care to learn. A lot of people, they come their own time, when they want, how they want. They don't even care Surah Al-A'la, the highest surah or the lowest surah. They don't care what goes on. So the people who want to learn, that's why you see we have a Hifz class who want to memorize. We got an Imam class who wants to learn to lead. We got a jurisprudence class who wants to learn jurisprudence. Because I wouldn't stand here and you don't get up now and teach jurisprudence and Hifz to the whole world. No, you'll be wasting your time. But the reminder we need to give to the whole world. Someone get the difference? You understand the difference? Teaching ilm is a different thing and the reminder is a different